Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. And this is kind of a video, I've been making some of these videos. It's just to provide some informational, just sort of context. It's almost, I won't call it trivia because I think it's actually some useful information to provide some insight into sort of how open, or maybe I should say how likely it is for people to actually gain admission to Thailand. I've seen a lot of people become rather despondent. They kind of think it's not possible to get into Thailand. But how many Americans have come to Thailand is a good question. A recent article from ThaiVisa.com, article is titled "Plans to Open Thailand Further to Tourism, 40,000 foreign returnees have arrived since July." And quoting directly, Foreign Ministry spokesman Tani Sengrat said that from July 9th to the 24th November, the ministry had issued certificates of entries to 40,401 foreigners. Now within this, and there's a lot more to this, I urge folks watching this video, go check out that article. But they note Americans, there were 3,279 Americans admitted to Thailand. And again, the period was from July 9th to the 24th of November. Again, articles titled "Plans to Open Thailand Further to Tourism, 40,000 foreign returnees have arrived since July." That's ThaiVisa.com. A lot more insight in there. But I thought that this little nugget of information might be interesting to Americans looking to come to Thailand. Yes, it's definitely possible to come to Thailand. We have been assisting folks in all different categories, from tourist to retiree to business to even education in a few circumstances, in returning to Thailand or coming to Thailand sometimes for the first time. And yes, it is possible for an American to get a Thai visa right now. And there are Americans that have been admitted to Thailand since all this brouhaha began. So for those who may feel a bit overwhelmed or interested in coming to Thailand, but kind of view the process as a little bit more complicated than they'd otherwise like it to be, may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional in order to gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.